Hello there and welcome to the short video for parents on creating a SIMS parent account. Okay, so why are we doing this? Well, the school needs to share information with you and to allow you to provide corrections to anything that may have changed since they last collected the data. So you may well have a new mobile number, or there may be a new medical condition that you need to inform the school of. To securely do this, the school is using a product called SIMS Parent, which links directly with their SIMS pupil database in school, and it provides you with secure access to the information on your pupil and indeed yourselves as contacts. To access the system, you'll need to first of all have an account linked ready to link to the SIMS Parent system. This can be a Microsoft or Google Mail account, Office 365 account, Twitter or a Facebook account. Please bear in mind that if you're going to select whichever account you wish to link to this system, anyone able to log into this account will be able to see the data that the school is to share with you. So, how do you get in there? Right, you will have received an email to the account you've supplied to the school previously. The email will come into your inbox from noreply@sims.co.uk with the subject line containing the school's name. If you can't find the mail there, check your clutter and junk folders just in case it's in there, but if you don't have it, then please contact the school and ask them to resend it perhaps to a different email address. The email will contain a link. Simply click that link and that will then launch you off into a registration website. The registration website will ask you to provide the account type that you're going to link to your new SIMS Parent login. As you can see, it can be Twitter, Google, Microsoft, so like a Hotmail account, Facebook or Office 365. Do not attempt to link with the SIMS ID. That's something that the school uses. Okay, please note that all you're doing is linking the two accounts together to prove who you are. No information will ever be shared with the SIMS Parent program and your chosen email or your third-party system. Pardon me, after having selected the appropriate login type, you'll then return to your browser and simply click the register button. At that point, you'll be asked to provide the date of birth of one of the children you may have at the school in the format day/month/year. Having done that, you simply click verify, and you are then redirected to the SIMS Parent screen in the browser, which will be populated with your children's data. You can start to review and suggest changes to it immediately from there. So if you're, you can use the screen, as I say, to review the information the school holds. If you are doing that on a shared computer particularly, remember to log out of the Gmail 365, Twitter or Facebook account in order that nobody else can then just sit down next to the machine you've been working on and see that same information. If you're coming back to it, then simply return to the parent site as linked in the email you were sent. It's www.sims-parent.co.uk, or indeed you can download the app to your mobile device, and using your Facebook account or whichever account type you've linked to the SIMS Parent app login, you can actually supply that within the parent app and see it to amend information as you see fit inside your mobile environment. Okay, so thank you very much for listening to the presentation. Hope it's been useful. If you do have any queries, please direct them to the school, and we wish you all the very, very best. Thank you. Bye-bye.